so we're going to start as we usually do with step 1, which is read sounds. I'm going to set our timer for 2 minutes. Make it back here. And make sure eyes are on the card. Here we go.
E, A, E, A, O. N, A, D, W, A, U, B, M, L, P, Y, Z, J, G, A.
And the only thing I'm going to say is make sure when we're saying our sounds, we're not adding an extra A sound to it. So you wouldn't say...
Like A-Y?
Yeah, you want to make sure it's real short and sweet.
Hey.
Here we go.
R, Z, E, D, A, E, W, A, O, Y, U.
Okay, let's try tracing this one out just so we have an example of tracing. Okay, make sure when we're tracing, we're using our correct hand. Our correct hand is the one we write with. Okay, next one.
J, B, M, L.
Ooh, let's trace this one out. Alright, next one.
G, A, Y, A, U.
Yeah, what was this one? Trace that one out for me. Alright, I'm not going to mix them. We're going to go as fast as we can.
E.
Let's trace that one. Alright, and our time is... Okay.
You might want to put that on.
Good?